Good morning, guys. So I got back from Tennessee at 2 a.m. this morning. The time is now 8:27 a.m. and I actually have such a busy day today. So I wanted to do a day in the life of an entrepreneur again. I love doing these videos because it's something that I actually personally like to watch people do. I love day in the life of a media producer, day in the life of a signing agent, day in the life of a vending machine operator, day in the life of a content creator. Like, I love watching other people's business within their lives. So I love filming these. So I have a really busy day and I'm super tired. So the first thing I'm doing today is at 9 a.m. I have a Spanish meeting. So I decided, I put it on my vision board, and I'll show you guys a clip of my vision board, that I wanted to speak more Spanish on my own. Like, you know, I'm no longer in Puerto Rico. I don't live near my family who do speak Spanish. So I'm like really never ever using my Spanish, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna jump on a meeting with a lady in Spain, and we're just gonna like have a conversation, brush up on some of my skills. So this is like something that I'm doing to better myself. You know, I always tell people to, you know, spend money on growing yourself, and I am taking my own advice, and you guys should do it as well. Not the Spanish lessons, unless you want to take Spanish, then, you know, invest in yourself, and that's what I'm doing. So I do want to live in Spain one day, or Costa Rica. So, and you guys hear me talk about that on Instagram. So might as well brush up on my skills because I will be getting a house out there. So anyway, I'll let you guys sneak peek that when I start, but I'm so tired. So before my lesson starts, I am talking to my Notary one-on-one students and some of my mentorship students who just want to talk to me about getting their other businesses up. And she just sent me, she started in August. We had our thing in August, and then she had this many in, what is this? In September. She really started to flourish. I love seeing when students send me their money, their little money screenshots and stuff. So she just started, and I'm so excited for her. So congrats, Tay. Congrats. So now I gotta finish answering all these messages.
De un campamento nuevo.
Sí.
Muy bien.
8.
¿Y tú? Sí, ya llevas 8. Wow.
I didn't get much footage of that, but yeah, I'm just like getting back into the groove of me actually using what I know and what I do. It's much easier when you're forced to, when I have to go back and see family out in Puerto Rico, but you know, like, no one around me speaks Spanish where I live now. So it's really fun to try to get back into that groove. So it's 9:30 now, and I have a meeting at 12. So I think around 10:30 I'll do my makeup and then get ready to start printing my documents for my signings tonight.
Yeah, I can relay a message.
Okay, so the new rockers are gonna go right in front of the front door. I moved everything. There's a chair. There's a table. One rocker goes on each side of that small little table in front of the front door. The 2 rockers that need to be picked up, that are hauling off, I put them in the back patio, so they have to go upstairs. I put them in the back patio. So that was the furniture people. As you guys saw in the Tennessee vlog, I bought 2 new rocking chairs because people keep breaking. Well, they broke 2 of them, and they are going out there to place them, and I told them that they have to come and be there and done before the new people come in at 4 p.m.
From closing, we have scheduled today for Lewis Kearns at 6 p.m.
People always tell you that life is short, but actually life is long. And if you're 24 years old or 34 years old, when I was 34 years old, I was still 21 years away from having a book published, even though I've been busting my ass for all that. So if I would say to a younger person, take some pressure off yourself. You know, you don't have to, it's all this bullshit in the social media that there's a hack and you can do it tomorrow. it's you know, enjoy the trip. You know, pay attention, keep your eyes open on the journey. When it's ready to happen, it'll happen.
So I am on my way now to the meeting/lunch with a girl who hit me up on Instagram, and we actually went to high school together, and we haven't really seen each other in years, but we have talked here and there on Instagram. And she reached out to me because she wanted to talk to me about her business goals, and she wanted to essentially just sit down, talk, and maybe make a newfound friendship within our adulthood. So yeah, girls empowering girls probably. So I agreed to it. I'm really excited when people want to hit me up and rekindle a previous relationship we had, or they've never met me before and they just ask me out. I think girls should do that more often. I mean, it's really fun having more girls in your life who think like you, who have the same mind frame like you do, have the same goals as you do. So we'll see how this goes. I might be able to get her on camera, and then right after that I am in work mode. I have signings and I have to edit a YouTube video. So I'm here with Brittany. She's the one that asked me on social media to come out, and I love that. I love when girls hit me up.
Thank you.
And she's gotten her soup. What is that?
It's a cinnamon margarita, and it's fall, so I had to do it.
And then I'm getting my food, but I ain't got nothing.
All right, we talked about the first steps. The first steps to financial freedom, and the first steps to getting out of the rat race.
I gave her homework.
So my homework, it's the hardest homework I've ever had, y'all, and I'm in doctorate school. First homework is to leave home and within the next 3 months, and then to call our lender and try to understand what we need to do to be approved for a second home for our family.
A duplex.
And particularly a duplex.
So this friendship meal turned into a business plan and strategy.
Business plan and strategy.
Take the mentorship. All right, I'll link it down below, and she has to go and I have a signing to get to. So thank you for asking me. All right, I know it's dark, you guys, but I have about an hour and a half before my next signing, so I'm home, and you guys are gonna see some of the bills I gotta pay for my properties. Alright, I am about to go to my first signing. Today is not a hard day. It's just me having come back at 2 a.m. from Tennessee, if you guys saw my last vlog, to now trying to go day to day without really taking any time to stop and rest. It's really hard. So I just got done with like a 30-minute nap, and I gotta go to the signing. So it's only just 16 minutes away. We're meeting at Starbucks for this one, so I can't take you with me, but I'm about to go inside. So I'm back in the car. It started at 4:30, it's 4:55, just because I've actually signed these people before. They remember me from last time, so we were just talking a little bit. My next one is at 6, and this is my last one of the night, and then I can take my face off and go to sleep because I'm tired. Oh, it's only 26 minutes away, so I'm gonna get there early. $5:49. I was listening to the Burlesque soundtrack. But let's go in. Last one for the night. All right, the time is 6:43. I just got home. I'm about to go to the mall. I'm just picking up my stepkids. Well, one of them wants to go to the mall with me, and we're gonna go makeup shopping. So again, I don't know if you guys want me to include that type of stuff in my day in the life of an entrepreneur. Put it down below if you want me to. I asked you in the last video if you wanted that, so I'm gonna ask again, and I'll talk to you guys later.
At the tone, please record your message.
Hi, Mrs. Rosenbaum. My name is Jasmine. I just got your last minute order for your signing, and I understand that it's at a hospital. Could you please give me a call back so that I have good directions into getting into the hospital? This vlog was going to be an all vending machine vlog today, but I have one emergency signing to do before then, and it's at a hospital. So a lot of notaries were giving up a lot of signing agents were giving up this particular signing because they didn't feel comfortable going into the hospital. I do. Pray for me. But I'm gonna just get ready. So here we go.
There's a single through line that has propelled all of the successes.
Yeah, turning fear into a tailwind instead of a headwind. Fear is as powerful as the force. And if you can harness it, what an asset. Because people that can't harness it, you're going to have a big, big advantage. And that goes for anybody from 6 to 60. You figure out how to do that and harness that fear. It's powerful.
So I literally just got out of that signing. It is now 1 o'clock. I got here at 11:30. So the whole time the lady was reassuring her husband that, you know, it's okay, they just got to run some tests on you. He was in pain. He really didn't want to have to continue signing. He was one of the most polite, in pain, stubborn men I've met. They had him in this cage. Not like a cage, it's like a pop-up tent with mesh so that he could hear you, and it was quite a sight. And the woman, the wife, probably a saint. You guys ask, what do I do after I'm done signing? They literally give you a label already paid for, ready to be sent out. You just go in, put it into a packet that's also free, and send it out, and that's it. So I'm about to go do that now. I've also said this before, some signings, they give you an app. There is no app for you to download unless you get like a part of their group. But I'm gonna click on this, and this is the last piece of what I'm gonna do. Docs dropped off, and then we're done. This is one of the signing places that I told you guys about on my video. I'll try to link it somewhere, but I'm all done. I was gonna do vending today along with this vlog, but I left my vending machine backpack at my friend's house, and she left for California today, so sorry. We'll do it next week. So I just cooked dinner. Let me show you what I cooked. I cooked dinner early because I got home early because I couldn't go vending. Went grocery shopping. So this is dinner. It is loaded cheesy baked potato with asparagus. So waiting for my love to come home. And I am about to begin editing the video that I am actually shooting right now. And then after, I'm going to be doing payroll for myself. And sometimes I like getting paid once a month. So as you guys know, being a signing agent, if you work direct, you could probably get it within a few days, maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks. If you do online signing services, then you'll be looking between 30 and 45 days. The signings I did for this video will not be included in that total, but maybe I'll put the total of how much I did at the end as well, so you guys can see how much I made. I mean, it was just, you guys should know how much I made. So yeah, let me know if you guys enjoy or want to see like more in between footage of me doing makeup or cooking as a day in the life of an entrepreneur, or grocery shopping. I really don't know. I think I'll do a poll, and then you guys let me know. By the way, the time is now 4 p.m. Let's see what time I get done editing. It usually takes me a good 6 to 8 hours to edit a video. So YouTube can be like a part-time job within itself, sometimes a full-time job when I have to speak to sponsorship videos and people who are gonna be sponsoring me. So yeah, let's get going.